In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to block bad videos on YouTube. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. If there is a specific user or channel you don't want to see anymore, find one of the video. Tap three dots next to the video. Select Don't Recommend Channel. This will stop their videos from showing up on your home feed and recommendations. If you manually search for them, they might still appear. For a broader filter to block potentially mature or inappropriate videos, navigate to the U page, then click on the settings icon given at the top right, click on the option General. Now head over to the option Restricted Mode. Now toggle on for this option. This helps hide potentially bad or mature content. No filter is 100% accurate and restricted mode only applies to that specific device. If you want the filter across all devices, you'll need to enable it on each one, and that's it. That's how you can block bad videos on YouTube. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.